Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. In this video, I'm going to share how to turn off notifications on your Mac so you can finally get some work done. First up, let's talk about how to silence all notifications when you need deep focus. To do this, go ahead and click the Control Center icon on the menu bar. Next, hover over the Focus section, click this little arrow icon right here, and select Do Not Disturb. You can set this for 1 hour or even until the evening. You'll actually see the exact time this mode will end right here. When you're ready to reconnect with the world, just click Do Not Disturb again, and your Mac will go back to normal. Now for the second method. If you want more granular control, you can turn off notifications for specific apps. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner, then select System Settings. From here, scroll down to Notifications. You'll see a list of every app installed on your Mac. Let's say I want to mute Telegram. I'll click on the app and then simply toggle off the switch that says Allow Notifications. Now Telegram can't distract me on this machine anymore. Here is a privacy tip for you. You can change how notifications look to keep your messages private. Look for the setting called Show Previews and change it to Never. Now, when you get a ping, your Mac will just say, "You have a new message," without showing the actual text content. Also, if you've set up iPhone mirroring on your Mac, you'll see an extra option in the notifications settings called Allow Notifications from iPhone. You can toggle this off if you don't want your phone blowing up your computer screen. This is a game changer for avoiding distractions. And that's it. Those are the basic ways to manage your notifications and stay focused. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.